Hi everybody, welcome aboard Green Living Path. Alyogi here. Today we're going to do an energizing series, and we're going to use Manipura chakra, which is like an energy center to energize your whole body and your mind. And yeah, so without further ado, we're going to get into it. Now the first pose we're going to do, we're using our breath to link all the poses. So breathing in through your nose, you can breathe out through your mouth. And then just elongating your breath, focusing on your breath. So we're going to get into it. The first pose we're going to do is we're going to do child's pose with the extended arms, and we're going to elongate the spine. So here we go. Just putting your legs apart, your knees apart, sitting down on your haunches, just feeling the hands lengthening out, and then basically pulling back into the armpits, and just gently dropping the head onto the ground, opening your chest and heart. This is great for opening up. So just focus on the breath, taking it in gently through the nose, elongating the spine, guys. Good stuff. Lengthening the spine. Great for opening the chest and the heart, the anahata chakra. Okay, so just sit back on the haunches, opening your hips, breathing nice and gently, just taking it nice and relaxed, feeling energized, happy, and just thankful. Great. Few more breaths into the stomach and then gently out. Just relax, open up under your armpits and just elongate your spine, just gently relaxing your whole spine. Great. Okay, so just coming into table pose. Okay, and what we're going to do now, we're going to do down dog. So we're going to just put our palms on the ground, coming up into the pose. And put your heels off the ground initially, and then just gently, as you feel comfortable, you can put them into the ground, pushing back with your hands and feeling energized through the hands, pushing back. You can just have them off if that's too not comfortable for you, and just gently padding each foot, elongating the legs, feeling really grounded in those hands, pushing under the armpits, nice and gentle, guys. That's great. So we're going to come down into up dog, releasing the shoulders, convexing your spine. Just visualize your spine lengthening and you're opening up through the heart chakra. These poses are great for the solar plexus chakra or Manipura and anahata heart chakra, okay, for energizing. And your solar plexus chakra distributes energy or prana to the whole body, so that's really important. And then just gently come back into down dog. That's it, just pushing back down with gently padding out. Use your breath, nice breaths, pushing into your hands. Great, guys, just gently work it away. Breathing through the mouth, out through the mouth, then through the nose. Just feel wherever you're comfortable in the pose, here, there, just take the pose. And then just gently padding away with your feet again, using that beautiful breath, feeling nice and relaxed. And gently walk your feet up. And then just Uttanasana, forward bend. just hanging over the hips, from the hips, elongating your spine, grabbing wherever you're comfortable, your toes, if you can, if you can't, wherever, and just hang from the hips. Use the breath to elongate the spine, just relax the head, feel grounded through your feet, and just stretching from the base of your spine to the tip of your crown on your head, and just use your head weight just to pull gently the spine, separating the vertebrae. Awesome, guys, just keep going. Breathe, nice breath this time, in through the nose and out the mouth. This is a detoxicating breath for all that extra fancy eating we do. And just pushing the knees back a little bit, and just feel that you're elongating the spine. Hanging over the hips. This is awesome. And then just gently rolling up, keeping your chin down, and gently coming to the standing pose. So yeah, that was awesome, guys. So we're going to do the mountain pose now. Just standing there, relaxing, breathing in, feeling energized, feeling thankful for the day, for everything that the world gives us each day, our body, our food, our shelter. So now we're going to do a very a good pose called Yoga Namaskar, and it's basically really good for the lower lumbar on the spine. It activates the lower lumbar. So there's two ways you can do it. You can either come down, not many people can do this, but with your feet together, right down onto your haunches. But what we're going to do is we're going to just do it hip width apart. Okay, this is great for rejuvenating the spine, because as we age, the spine wants to collapse, and as sometimes when you get older, you get pinched nerves. So we're only as youthful as our spinal cord on a physical sense. So just coming down into the pose, putting your hands out, and then just coming back up, linking the four fingers together, and then just coming up, arching the back, stretching up through the arms. That's great. And then just coming back down again. This is great for regenerating the spine. Yoga Namaskar. And then just coming back up again. One more time. Breathing out, coming right down. This is stretching the spine, all the vertebrae. And then just coming back up again. This is great. Okay. And then just hands to the heart. Thanking that. That's great. Hands to the forehead, to the Anjana chakra, the third eye. And then just back down to the heart. So a lot of those poses were great for the Manipura chakra, for energizing. That's like down dog, up dog, opening the chest, opening the Anahata chakra. Okay, so we've got Anahata chakra, it's great for opening your heart, and Manipura or solar plexus is great for energizing, because that sends prana to all your body. Okay, so we're just going to finish off now with gently going to go into child's pose, full child's pose. You did awesome today. It's great to have you aboard. So just gently coming down, everybody. Full child's pose. Just put your knees apart, your hands to the side, your forehead to the floor on your third eye. sinking down into the pose. Nice deep breath now. Store all the prana through your nose. And then just gently out. Let it really slow, guys. You've had a great workout. Another breath. 1, 2 more. And just releasing. Letting go of any worries or any fatigue or anything that's bothering you. Just letting it go. That no longer serves you. One more breath. Letting it all go. Feeling nice and relaxed and energized and just grateful and happy. So that was great, guys. So yeah, it's a lot of energizing poses there, and we linked the breath, and we also had some nice relaxing poses that opened us up, and we're about elongating our spine. So that was the primary focus of today. It was great to have you on board, and lots of love on your yogic path. Alyogi. Namaste.